a square minus x square power minus 1 by 2. Now take the second derivative, u into v rule. First function, derivative of second, minus 1 by 2 a square minus x square, x power n, nx, n minus 1, minus 1 by 2, minus 1, minus 3 by 2. So we can write it as this. Clear? Now derivative of a square is 0, minus x square is minus 2x, plus this function as it is. Derivative of a square is 0 and 2x is 4x. So we get 4 into minus 4x upon a square minus x square square root minus minus plus 2x into a square minus 2x square, a square minus x square. We can write power 3 by 2 as like this, 1 plus 1 by 2. So what we get here, 4 into minus 4 upon 4x upon square root of a square minus x square, x into a square minus 2x square. Now we have to find the value of second derivative at the point x is equals to a by root 2. d square a upon dx square at x is equals to a upon root 2. Find the value. 4 minus 4x is a upon root 2. X square, a square by 2 plus x is a upon root 2. X is a upon root 2 a square by 2 upon a square minus a square by 2 power 3 by 2. This is a square minus a square 0. So we get 4 minus 4 a upon root 2, 2a square minus a square upon root 2. A upon root 2 will get cancelled, plus this term is 0. So we are left with minus 16. That is less than 0. It means x is equals to a upon root 2 is point of maxima. This is point of maxima. We have a square is equals to x square plus y square. Put the value of x here. Y square is 2a square minus a square. A square by 2. Y is a upon root 2. Therefore, x is equals to y. It means rectangle is a square. X is equals to y. It means rectangle is a square. And we have to prove the square has maximum area. If this is point of maxima, that is area is maximum and rectangle is a square, it means square has maximum area. Note it down. Now the next one. Show that the rectangle of maximum perimeter. Show that rectangle of maximum perimeter which can be inscribed in a circle of radius a is square of side root 2a. Let ABCD be a rectangle. Write down, let ABCD be a rectangle having side 2x and 2y, and O is the center of circle having radius get y as root of a square minus x square. Now perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times length plus breadth. So 4 times x plus y, 4x plus 4, y is square root of a square minus x square. Now differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of 4x, derivative of root x, 1 upon 2 root x, derivative of a square and minus x square. So what we get? dp upon dx, 4 minus 4x upon root a square minus x square. In the next step, put the first derivative equal to 0. So we get this root a square minus x square is equals to x. Squaring both sides, a square minus x square. So we get x as a upon root 2. Now in the next step, find the second derivative. d square p upon dx square, derivative of 4 is 0, minus 4, u upon v rule here, v square, derivative of u minus derivative of v, u as it is. Note up to here first. So what we get? d square p upon dx square minus 4, take the LCM, a square minus x square, minus minus plus 2x square, a square minus x square into root a square minus x square. This 2 will get cancelled here. So we get 4a square upon a square minus x square power 3 by 2. Now find the derivative at the point x is equals to a upon root 2. A square upon 2 power 3 by 2. 2a square minus a square. A square by 2 power 3 by 2. So what we get? Minus 4a square a cube. We can write 2 as root 2 square. So we get d square p upon dx square at x is equals to a upon root 2 minus 4a square upon a cube. Root 2 cube is 2 root 2. So minus 8 root 2 upon a. Second derivative is negative, that is less than 0. Therefore p is maximum when x is equals to a upon root 2. When x is equals to a upon root 2, then we have y is equals to a square minus x square. X is a square by 2. So a upon root 2. X is equals to y. X is equals to y is equals to a upon root 2. Length of the rectangle is 2x. So root 2a. Breadth of the rectangle is 2y. So root 2a. Length and breadth are equal. Therefore rectangle is a square. Therefore rectangle is a square. And we have to show that This is therefore P is maximum when side of square is √2a. यही हमारे पास आई, लेंथ और ब्रेथ इक्वल है. इट मीन्स रेक्टेंगल स्क्वायर है और स्क्वायर की साइड क्या है? स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 इंटू a. नोट इट डाउन. Now the next one. If the sum of length of hypotenuse and a side of right triangle, let this be a right triangle ABC, if the sum of length of hypotenuse and a side of right angle triangle is given, show that area of triangle is maximum when the angle between them is pi by 3. Write down. Let ABC be right angle triangle with base BC equals to x and hypotenuse AB is equals to y. This is right angle triangle. So by using Pythagoras, what we get? Hypotenuse square, perpendicular square plus base square. So we get AC as square root of y square minus x square. Now we have to prove area is maximum. Area of triangle is half base into height. Base is BC, height is AC, that is y square minus x square. Squaring both sides we get x square by 4, y square minus x square, and it is given that sum of the sides is constant, let it equal to k. Sum of the side will be some constant value. So put the value of y here, k minus x whole square. Open the bracket. A square plus b square minus 2ab. X square will get cancelled here. So a square is equals to k square x square minus 2k x cube by 4. Now differentiate it with respect to x. Derivative of a square 2a. 1 by 4 is constant. K square. Derivative of x square. X cube is 3x square. So 2k square x. Take 2 common. Minus 3k x square. We get this term. Put first derivative equals to 0. d upon dx is k square x minus 3k x square upon 4a. First derivative equals to 0. So we get k square x minus 3k x square equals to 0. Note up to here first. So what we get? Take x common. We get x as k by 3. Now differentiate 1. Let this equation as 1 with respect to x. 2 derivative of a is dA upon dx plus a as it is, derivative of this is d square a upon dx square. Now 1 upon 2 k square, derivative of x is 1 and x square is 2x. So we get k square 3 into 2 6kx upon 2. Clear? Now put the value of x, that is k by 3, x is k by 3, dA upon dx is equals to 0. For this value x is equals to k by 3, so this will be 0. d square a upon dx square, d square a upon dx square, 1 upon 4a k square minus 2k square. So minus k square upon 4a. Term is less than 0. It means x is equals to k by 3 is point of maxima. Point of maxima, x plus y is equals to k. So we get y as k minus x is k by 3. 3 minus k, 2k by 3. We have to find the angle in triangle. ABC हमने triangle ली थी. This is angle theta ABC. Cos is base upon hypotenuse. Base was x and hypotenuse was y. So x is k by 3, y is 2k by 3. So we get 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 is value of cos pi by 3. So we get theta as pi by 3. This is what we want to prove. Therefore, area of triangle is maximum when angle theta between base and hypotenuse is pi by 3. Angle theta between base and hypotenuse is pi by 3. Now the next one. Prove that area of right angle triangle of given hypotenuse is maximum when the triangle is isosceles triangle. Write down. Let H be the hypotenuse of right angle triangle. Let H be the hypotenuse and X is the altitude of right angle triangle. Then by using Pythagoras, hypotenuse square, perpendicular square plus base square. From here we get AB as square root of h square minus x square. Now area of triangle is equals to half base into height. Base is h square minus x square square root and height is x. Now differentiate it with respect to x. U into V rule. First derivative of second plus second derivative of x is 1. Take the LCM. dA upon dx 1 by 2 minus x square plus h square minus x square upon square root of this. H square minus 2x square upon square root of this. Now in the next step, put first derivative equal to 0. So what we get? We get x is equals to h upon root 2. Now we have to take the second derivative. dA upon dx is 1 by 2 h square minus 2x square. Apply u into v rule here. So what we get? d square a upon dx square. First function, derivative of x power n minus 1 by 2 minus 1, that is 3 by 2. Derivative of h square and x square plus derivative of h square is 0 minus 4x upon h square minus x square. We get this term. So 1 by 2, this 2 will get cancelled. Minus minus plus here.